Hi crypto kings and queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. In today's episode, I'll show you why I am using the support trend line combined with the Fibonacci to find my entry and why I sold Bitcoin around 38,550. I do have my target around 35,000, 34,000 because I do have multiple orders. I do believe the market will continue back down after this consolidation that we did have. I will also show you what I see on Ethereum and on Polkadot. And on Polkadot, we do actually have a head and shoulder formation, and we did already retest the neckline. Remember, I am no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but continue looking at this video and I'll show you exactly what I see on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Polkadot. We're looking at Ethereum on the 12-hourly chart. Overall picture, we are still in a downtrend. We saw the market having a pullback, and the pullback is above the counter trend line. We did break the pullback when the higher low around 2,850 got broken. We saw the market creating a lower low. Market came up to create a lower high against the higher low that we did break, which is also confirming that the pullback, the uptrend is over. And with the help of Fibonacci, we can also use where the targets can potentially be. So we're taking a fib from the highest point from 3,186 to the lowest point at 2,378. This gives us the targets that we need, and those are 2,200 and potentially 1,800. So if this is playing out, I see the market coming back down to potentially 1,800. If we're looking at Bitcoin, I am actually in 4 different trades on Bitcoin at the moment. I do have one on PRIMEXBT. You can see it right here. So I did sell the market around 38,391, and I do have 4 other positions on another platform. If we're looking at Bitcoin, then why did I take this trade? If we are taking a counter trend line, because overall picture, as just on Ethereum, we see the market having a downtrend. We are in a downtrend, but we did have a huge pullback. We did see during the weekend the market was just consolidating, and I'm actually choosing not to trade during the weekends because it doesn't look good on Bitcoin at all. But if we're going to the lower time frames, when we saw the break of this level, what I did, so we can take this one away because we can take the higher time frames Fibonacci away, because now we know, or I know, we came to that level and we did respect it. So when I'm taking that one away, I am taking another Fibonacci, because it's really important to find our entries with the Fibonacci. So what I did take a Fibonacci from the highest point on the 4-hourly chart from 39,514 to the lowest point at 37,572. Going to the lower time frames, we have already hit the 50% of this Fibonacci, and that was around 38,558. And this is how I am actually taking my trade. So when I see the break of the counter trend line, that is showing us that we are in a uptrend, even if we did consolidate. So when we saw the break of it, we did break the previous higher lows that we did have, which is also combined with the Fibonacci, and that gives me different targets that I can use. So I am using the targets 37,134, 36,131, and back to the support, we can take it. I do have one of my take profits around 34,500. I do have a very good position right here on Bitcoin. I do have my stop loss around 39,000. This is very good having some space on Bitcoin with the stop loss, because it can be very volatile, and I think everyone knows about that. This is a very good risk to reward that I do have on Bitcoin at the moment. So I do expect the market to come back down to these levels, and just as I was speaking about on yesterday's live stream, I do believe that we can come back down to 34,000 again, and then potentially see momentum to the upside. If we're coming back down to these levels and we slowly start to see the market breaking to the upside, I am definitely putting some long positions, and I will hold it for a very long time, because I do believe at that point the market will break to the upside. But obviously when we're coming back down to the support, obviously we have to see how market is behaving around it. But I am in 4 positions on another platform. I do have one on PRIMEXBT, and we just have to let the market do what it's supposed to do. If we are looking at Polkadot, you can see that we do have this head and shoulder formation, and we did break the support and the neckline around 18 14.13. We saw the break, we saw the retest. So what we also can do, we're taking a Fibonacci just to have a second confirmations that this level is actually really good. We're taking the fib from 22.51 to the lowest point at 14.35. You saw the market coming up to the 50% of the Fibonacci combined with the neckline that was a break with the head and shoulder formation. The target that I'm having on Polkadot is 12.50. Going back in time, this is also a previous support that we saw the market creating fake outs, especially around here. You saw the fake out retest, and that is exactly what can happen once again on Polkadot. So this is what I see on Polkadot. Obviously, if we're seeing some huge momentum to the upside and this will not hold as a resistance, if we see the market breaking inside retest, the market can definitely continue back up a little bit more. To what target? Well, at that point I'm looking at 20.13 to see if we're retesting that level again to continue back down. But with these confirmations that I do have, I strongly believe that we can come back down to around 12.50. Remember that you can receive a bonus on PRIMEXBT up to $7,000 if you're using the link in the description down below the video. If you are a day trader, this platform is super good. If you are more of a swing trader, you can use the bonus on BYBIT up to $4,100 through Bitcoinsensus using the link in the description down below the video, and you are obviously always helping Bitcoinsensus by doing that. Don't forget to go inside Bitcoinsensus website. We have daily updates and news about cryptocurrencies. We do have different categories right here, and especially if you're a beginner, this is really good for you to just go inside and read it for yourself. If you do have any questions, comment in the video below or go into either my live stream or Andy's live stream. Ask us any questions that you want. I promise you that we will try to answer as many questions that you do have for us. You can see this is Andy, this is me. We do have the latest updates about cryptocurrencies, the latest updates on YouTube. So go inside bitcoinsensus.com and use this website. It's super good for you. Thank you so much guys for looking at this video. I hope you did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you always know when I'm having my live stream. I will try to take as many live streams straight together with you on my live streams during the week. So I hope you will join me. I am no financial advisor. I just want to show you exactly what I do and try to help you as much as I can with the technical side, because that is what I am good at. Otherwise than that, I hope you will have a great day. See each other later. Mwah, for Sweden.